Nedwoko don dey this girl life tey, don dey pump money there like ghosts, but people no know. Now the time where people know, people dey feel say Nedwoko take marry Regina. He go don marry Regina since. If they say the two matter no joy, you see that Nedwoko na liar or mama Regina na liar. Beautiful people, how na day? I hope na day fine. Yes, I'm back again with another video with the title, you know what you're about to watch. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification for more videos. Now, Mama Regina, I don't know whether na Mama Regina be the liar for this Mara. See, most people will say these people just leave their matter. Regina Daniels, this is their business, but you will know that they are not putting their business in their house. They are spreading their business online, so it don't to our business. Okay, now Mama Regina don't talk and say Regina Daniels come meet her and they tell her saying don't find love and she no get right to stop her daughter. She no get right to tell her daughter making no love. I be had that an interview go, which I'm going to put here. Now, Nedwoko na come say, Mama Regina carry Regina come her house, come check the place around. Now, dear, now he takes see Regina for the first time because he know they watch movie like that. He know Regina. You see Regina there for the first time. So you see, say the two things no agree. But I dey tell you now, say not be the time we would no say Regina marry Ned. Now it marry Ned. If possible, say this their marriage will they fix in a 1 year because now 1 year it dey online. If it don't be 2 years, 3 years, like Nedwoko fit don't marry Regina underground before this matter blow up. That's something where they do now because say the matter don't already blow up for social media. People don't talk about the marriage. That's why they even just could do that thing. Make people just rest. It not me say that na traditional marriage of Regina or one thing. In fact, I'm not sure say they do something where the video like that. Maybe not just normal because Ebola now so that they do. They can just now what you want. You understand? They can just come one room like this. People they inside. There's somebody married here and you are married. Traditionally, they don't pay everything. Your bride price has been paid. List of things. They don't already bring them in cash or in the stuff. Pamoye, yam, the stuff they like that. They don't bring them one room like this. Somebody feel married there. If you like do party, make people fukalopi, rich and if you like me your marriage be one room, it's possible. Because if you check out Regina don't they live flashy life, how much do they pay them for movies or endorsement deals, whatever deals? In fact, Regina they get endorsement deals. If I dey lie, I better drop comment down. She they get endorsement deals now. Regina endorsement deals they come now more than before. Not be say Regina not be star, not star, but now she they get her more than before. Regina gifted Mama house 2 years ago. Where Regina take see money to build in Mama upstairs house, better fine house, take and take give Mama as gift, and even motor self 2 years ago. We they talk about marriage. We they talk about their marriage last year, no 2019 or when last year. Now we they talk about their marriage. Their marriage. Regina Daniels and Nedwoko na last year. But if you check and what Regina don't they do with money since, you go know say Nedwoko don't marry this girl since before last year. And it's possible say na Mama Regina carry a daughter like this. Like carry a daughter like this, give Nedwoko. I know the pattern. I'm not mixing word. I just they use them the way that they put them online. Okay. Now Nedwoko just happened to day house that day. He just be like say Mama Regina, you don't hustle this rich man, hustle. She not see. I do one video saying that Regina Daniels Mama na feed this Nedwoko of a truth. Because if Nedwoko not see, no, I know say age is nothing but number, but 40 years. 40 years. If Nedwoko not senior Regina, I go use at least 40 years to senior the girl. The thing is extra too much. It don't be like e grandpa. Men the way they born as like e grandpa. This will not be even say with a miss word. So men they when they like say they are 20, 21 years old, they don't already get 1 or 2 children. Like that, Nedwoko na actually Regina grandpa age. This is the cocoa. And then Ned Nwoko just happened to dey house that day, the first day where Regina dey step in food for the house, because Regina dey look around the house that day as Ned Nwoko talk and say Regina come dey look because people dey come there, they do tourism. I don't know wetin dey for the house wey dey tori. I don't know. Regina don't come there, they totori the house. Now that day where Regina come, now that day Ned Nwoko decide to see him.
Before I met her, I didn't know about her. I don't watch movies. Never watch movies. I met her the first time when she came to my house with her mother and her siblings because my place in Delta is a tourist place. They came to look around and I liked her and that was it, you know. So whether I marry another wife or not, she knows it can happen.
Like the thing, they as if say Ned Nwoko and Mama Regina don't plan. Mama Regina purposely bring the daughter come there for Ned Nwoko. And then they talk and say your daughter come meet you and then come tell you say you don't find love.
The small girl come and come cry, give her and say then force and enter the marriage. Now love, oh. And me will be mama no get the right to tell and say come no love.
As if say Regina Daniels dey waka the way Mama take put am, eh? It be like say Regina Daniels dey waka for road normally. Ned Nwoko come see am, they are two come date. He come love Ned Nwoko. Then come bring reports, come back to him. Mama say na this man I wan marry. I love this man. The way Mama take talk am, but they see say Ned Nwoko dey put am differently. Him Mama dey put am differently. Who come dey lie? Because Ned Nwoko not be like say they lie, be like say that Mama Regina they lie. And the way Ned Nwoko say they talk am, you go know say na traditional man. It possible say if you even see Regina Daniels with his mama for a house that day, he go prefer, since he doesn't say Regina Daniels na small girl, he go prefer to even call Mama Regina go corner and tell her me intention. Na so men, Igbo men, those old days time, Igbo men, that's what they do. They no go even approach the bride. If I dey lie, or they put comment down below. They know they approach the bride directly. And the way Ned Nwoko they talk about children, the way they talk about culture, the way they tell you go know say na cultural man. Definitely you no go approach Regina direct when your mama dey near there. It go better say go approach your mama, say I like your daughter, I want marry your daughter. Mama Regina go know this thing from the very beginning, if possible from the very first day. And then she do as if say no, Regina Daniels don't come in and say Mama I don't find love. The girl complain for you. The girl go feel actually complain. The girl so like this will go feel complain. Whether they talk and say Ned Nwoko na that kind of man when he be like say anything when he wants, he go get him. Like this, so how woman self go feel even divorce this man? When he be like say if he collect somebody property, collect somebody land and pin jangbajantis things there for a head, send her to Abuja, prison for Abuja, some self day for Delta State. People when you be like say Ned Nwoko don't rob them of their entire life. When I say entire life, you dey send somebody they go prison for Abuja, you dey give am bill of 50 million naira and a house resident. Maybe the person builds you resident for Abuja or buy anyone, but give you house for Abuja and bail yourself with 50 million. Poor farmers them and poor hustlers for village. How you expect that person to bring that kind of money? Now because Ned Nwoko know say that person no go fit bring that kind of money, that's why they give am that kind of bail, so you no go ever come out. Like this thing, definitely anything where somebody sow and go rip am. Even though you feel say nobody can judge you because God have not judged you. I don't know whether Angel Gabriel go call you hello Rita Daniels, I'm judging you, before you go know say this thing where you do so it not clear. Like you be mama when you be like say you suppose to protect. Some people go say Regina Daniels is behaving like a child, she need guidance. What if mama can they do now to just pimp them, like now to pimp them together and then leave her? When you know say you dey pimp your daughter to somebody when you be like say na polygamist. Now man when you be like say if you take any gear when you want, you no go stay by your daughter's side and then they teach her and then they show her and they tell her say no do this thing and do that one. Since you start sabi they control them, sabi they do control, say you control your daughter, enter the hand of her grandpapa age, Why you no fit dey control am onto other things, the way she take dey do for social media, make people know dey feel say she dey drunk and drive, or make people know dey feel say she no dey responsible online. You no fit control her like that. If Regina Daniels dey behave like small pikin, she need guidance of matured person. Rita Daniels own na to sit down and eat the fun wey come with dashing her daughter out to grandpa. If Regina now come meet you say he don find love with Ned Nwoko, and Ned Nwoko no get house for anywhere, na fisherman for that particular village for Delta State, you no go slap that love comot for Regina eye, like you no go boast that love comot, you go gree, like you go gree. Many of una go know say this thing when I dey talk is nothing but the truth, but since it's not my business, you will see say, madam, it's not your business, it's their business, which I agree say na their business, but drop your business for your ass. You no gree una drop. No, una see they bring una business, they come outside for social media for me. Yes, Mama Regina, so when they talk say find love. If Ned Nwoko not be Ned Nwoko, say Ned Nwoko na just ordinary fisherman, that love for no exist. Una for no hear say, or una for no see Regina or hear say Regina find love with Ned Nwoko. If for not work, if for not possible. But Mama Regina conveniently they talk and say a doctor say he don't find love because say na Ned Nwoko. And Ned Nwoko now they talk and say na Mama Regina and Regina come, you go see and say Rita Daniels na liar. Now Mama Regina and Regina now come a place when it see Regina. The two matter not be the same thing, because the way Rita Daniels say put her, it can't be like say Regina go out, you can't see grandpa, you can't like grandpa, love grandpa. They are two. In fact, the way Mama Regina take put her, be like say Ned Nwoko and Regina don't they date where she not know. They are two don't love each other where she not know. Now when Regina come meet her, now tell her say, Mama, I don't find love. Now she know. The way she take put her, be like say she don't know until Regina come tell her say don't find love in this man. But Ned Nwoko they let you they know say he marry Regina within 3 weeks when he takes see Regina. Not be that time when we take no say Regina marry Ned Nwoko or Ned Nwoko marry Regina. Now the thing take happen. The thing go don't happen. This is what they say their marriage is 1 year ago. It's possible say their marriage on over 1 year, maybe 2 years or 3 years ago. Because if you check Regina lifestyle, all of a sudden Regina begin to look flashy, begin to drive cars, they look in kind of different. Not be last year. Now last year they talk about the marriage, but it seems they don't already marry. This white thing where they do, this traditional thing where they do for Regina head and all that, not Regina dowry, but not to introduce her to that whatever group. It's like the man don't pay Regina dowry since, and that house where Regina Daniel gift Mama Regina Daniels na movie star. Okay, 1 or 2 endorsement deal, and then small girl they build the Mama upstairs. She just they build her mother house. They use house till they give him Mama as gifts. All of a sudden, you go know say Ned Nwoko don't did this girl life take. Don't they pump money there like ghosts? But people don't know. Now the time where people know, people they feel say Ned Nwoko take marry Regina. He go don't marry Regina since. If they say I say the two matter no joy. You see that Ned Nwoko na liar or Mama Daniels na liar, Mama Regina na liar. And at the end of it, they see man where you marry your daughter to. When all these men they talk about this man, they talk about him based on now man where if you need something, he must get him. So how all these wives self they're going to get divorced from this kind of particular man? Rita Daniels self, she don't I like that they want even there for politics. Hey. Now this thing I know say if Regina Daniels will suffer today, like no, this one self no be even suffer. Say this one they talk, that one they talk. Now talk. Now people they talk. When she they talk, say she give her consent out to woman, make her husband marry. Now be saying now you be the last wife. You don't even know what you are saying. Regina Daniels is still young. She don't know anything. At least person will go know something. Now im mama and im mama. I don't even know whether her mama they do duty self as a mother, because if her mama they do her duty as a mother, her daughter self no go even day here at all. Regina Daniels can give her consent all she wants. Now she be the last wife. Now she the man see the pamper husband now. Make she don't hold small. Me another wife don't come. Now you go know the consent where they give. Now that time you go know now that time you go know what to be consent giving. May your husband marry another wife. Now that time you go understand what you actually they do. As per now, if she no suffer am today, she go suffer am tomorrow, because she herself she still get her own for body too. Because she herself, Regina Daniels herself, her own self still dey for her body. Because I believe so your mama dey tell you say marry this man evil. If the man no get money, Regina Daniels for still no marry, and a girl wey get eye for all those kind good things. E not bad, but definitely nothing go even last forever. E no dey happen like that. Like the way Nedokote dey do now, so e dey self-destruct. E dey use the hand to dey kill himself by itself. Drop a comment down below what you think about this video. Drop thumbs up if you like, drop thumbs down if you don't like. I'll see you now for my next video. Bye bye.